Hello people, welcome back to another video. I'll be showing you how to make what you just saw, and yeah, I want to waste no time. So as you saw, I place some poles or whatever they're called, and then you can place any block, whatever you want. That can be scaled, or you can just place a bunch of blocks and make some platform like this. Make sure it doesn't touch the ground. Yeah, because all of it should be unanchored. Just makes it easier. And then, where is it? Yeah. Then you want to put a pilot seat there. And then, you want to put this there, and, well, this is optional, but you can put a camera there so it's easier to see where you're going to aim and shoot. But now the cannons. Make it face this way, and then just do like a checkerboard pattern. And, this doesn't look right. Oh wait, yeah, okay. I placed them too far apart. So yeah, just follow what I do on screen. They need to be spread apart so that they don't hit each other when you aim. Then you want to grab some jets once you're done. Then you want to save it, and then you're done. And it's all unanchored. All you have to do is delete the poles. Then you can go. You should make the jet speed 25. And then, oh wait, I forgot, so through update, you can get, so let me just show you what I forgot to tell you. So just pretend like nothing happened. Place down a car seat, get that tool, make the jet connected to the car seat. Well, yeah, the jet and the camera connected to the car seat. That's the only thing I forgot. And then delete the car seat, just so that they're not connected to the chair, because it might mess up what you're doing. Because to shoot, you're gonna press enter. And yes, this is possible on mobile. If you haven't already seen, that's why there's the arrows and stuff. But let's look for targets. As you can see, they all went into the same place. So it's just more powerful, but it all hits the same target. It's pretty cool. It just looks satisfying as well. For a person to get. Maybe you should fast forward or something. Don't know how long this is going to take. I might go after yellow team. Oh, okay. They're already set off. I'll go after, yeah, I'll just go after them. Okay. Oh, they went flying. That's a successful attempt. Yay. The next target try to actually get their boat instead of the actual person. Hopefully they launched it. There we go. Let's try to get their boat. Hopefully I can get them. They just escaped. Let's see if we can get them.